Have you ever heard of 211 but weren't quite sure what it means? In today's video, we'll break down exactly what 211 is, how it works, and why it could be a vital resource for you or someone you know. Whether you're facing a personal crisis, need information about local services, or just want to understand your options, knowing about 211 can make a real difference. Let's start by exploring the basics of this important service and why it exists in the first place. 211 is a free, confidential service that connects people with essential community resources and services. It's available in many regions across the United States and Canada, and is designed to help individuals and families find support for a wide range of needs. By simply dialing 211 on your phone, you can reach trained specialists who are ready to listen and guide you to the right assistance. This service is available 24/7, making it a reliable option whenever you need help. The 211 service was first introduced in 1997 as a way to simplify access to health and human services. Before 211, people often struggled to find the right phone numbers or organizations for help. The Federal Communications Commission officially designated 211 as a national helpline in 2000, making it easier for anyone to get connected with local resources. Since then, the network has grown, now covering most of the United States and parts of Canada. When you dial 211, your call is routed to a local or regional call center. There, trained specialists answer your call and listen to your situation. They use a comprehensive database of community resources to connect you with the most appropriate services. Whether you need food, housing, mental health support, or disaster assistance, the 211 team can point you in the right direction. The process is simple, confidential, and designed to reduce stress during difficult times. 211 is available to anyone, regardless of age, income, or background. Whether you're an individual, a family, or even a service provider looking for information, 211 is there to help. It's especially valuable for people facing unexpected challenges, such as job loss, health issues, or natural disasters. Even if you're just seeking information for a friend or neighbor, you can use 211 to find the right resources. 211 covers a wide range of needs. Some of the most common types of assistance include food and nutrition programs, housing and shelter, utility bill help, mental health services, healthcare, employment support, and disaster relief. The service can also connect you with resources for childcare, transportation, and legal aid. No matter the challenge, 211 aims to provide a starting point for finding help. If you or someone you know is struggling to put food on the table, 211 can connect you with local food banks, meal programs, and nutrition assistance. Specialists can help you find the nearest pantry or meal site and provide information about eligibility for government programs like SNAP. This support can make a big difference during tough times. Finding safe and stable housing can be a challenge, especially during emergencies. 211 can guide you to local shelters, transitional housing, and rental assistance programs. Whether you're facing eviction, homelessness, or just need temporary shelter, the service can help you explore your options and connect with organizations that provide support. Struggling to pay your utility bills? 211 can connect you with programs that offer help with electricity, water, and heating costs. These services are especially important during extreme weather or financial hardship. By reaching out, you can learn about eligibility requirements and how to apply for assistance, helping you keep your home safe and comfortable. Mental health challenges can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to face them alone. 211 can connect you with counseling services, crisis hotlines, and support groups. Whether you're experiencing anxiety, depression, or just need someone to talk to, the specialist can guide you to the right resources for your situation. Access to healthcare is a basic need, and 211 can help you find clinics, health insurance, information, and medical support. Whether you need help finding a doctor, understanding your insurance options, or accessing prescription assistance, the service is there to guide you. This can be especially helpful if you're uninsured or underinsured. If you're looking for work or want to improve your skills, 211 can connect you with job training programs, employment services, and resume assistance. Specialists can help you find local job fairs, career counseling, and resources for workforce development. This support can be a stepping stone to new opportunities. During natural disasters or emergencies, 211 becomes an essential resource. The service provides up-to-date information about shelters, evacuation routes, and emergency assistance. Whether you're dealing with a hurricane, wildfire, or other crisis, 211 can help you stay informed and find the help you need quickly. Families often need support with childcare, parenting resources, and family counseling. 211 can connect you with local daycare providers, after-school programs, and parenting classes. If you're facing challenges at home, the service can also guide you to family counseling and support groups. Getting to work, school, or medical appointments can be a challenge without reliable transportation. 211 can help you find local transportation programs, including ride services for seniors, people with disabilities, and those in need of medical transport. This support can make a big difference in maintaining independence and accessing essential services. Legal issues can be confusing and stressful. 211 can connect you with free or low-cost legal aid, advocacy services, and information about your rights. Whether you're dealing with housing disputes, family law, or immigration questions, the service can help you find the right support. Older adults often have unique needs. From healthcare to social connection, 211 can help seniors find meal delivery, home care, transportation, and social activities. The service also provides information about Medicare, benefits, and programs designed to support aging in place. 211 is a valuable resource for people with disabilities, offering connections to accessible housing, transportation, employment support, and advocacy organizations. Specialists can help you navigate government benefits and find programs that promote independence and inclusion. Veterans and their families can face unique challenges. 211 can connect you with veteran-specific services, including healthcare, housing, employment, and counseling. The service also provides information about VA benefits and local organizations dedicated to supporting veterans. Reaching 211 is simple. Just dial 211 from any phone, and you'll be connected to a local specialist. In some areas, you can also access 211 services online or by text. The website provides searchable databases and live chat options, making it easy to find help in the way that works best for you. When you call 211, you'll be greeted by a friendly, trained specialist. They'll ask you a few questions to understand your needs and will listen without judgment. The conversation is confidential, and you're never required to share more than you're comfortable with. The goal is to connect you with the most helpful resources as quickly as possible. Your privacy is a top priority when using 211. All calls are confidential, and your information is only used to connect you with the right services. You can feel safe reaching out, knowing that your personal details are protected and never shared without your permission. 211 is committed to serving everyone. The service offers support in multiple languages and provides accessibility options for people with hearing or speech difficulties. No matter your background or ability, 211 strives to ensure you can get the help you need. You should use 211 whenever you need help finding community resources or support services. This could be during a personal crisis, after a job loss, when facing eviction, or simply when you don't know where else to turn. 211 is designed to be a first step toward finding solutions, no matter how big or small your challenge. Let's look at some real-life examples. Imagine you've lost your job and are struggling to pay rent. Or perhaps you're caring for an elderly parent and need information about home care. Maybe you're feeling overwhelmed and need mental health support. In all these cases, 211 can guide you to the right resources and help you take the next step. It's important to know that 211 is not a substitute for emergency services like 911. If you're facing a life-threatening emergency, always call 911. 211 is designed for non-emergency situations where you need information, referrals, or support services. While both 211 and 911 are 3-digit helplines, they serve very different purposes. 911 is for immediate emergencies, medical, fire, or police. 211 is for finding help with life's everyday challenges, like food, housing, or mental health. Knowing which number to call can save time and ensure you get the right help. In addition to 211 and 911, there are other 3-digit numbers for specific needs. For example, 311 is for city services, 411 is for directory assistance, and 988 is the suicide and crisis lifeline. Each number has a unique purpose, so it's helpful to know which one to use in different situations. 211 isn't just for individuals, it also strengthens entire communities. By connecting people with the help they need, 211 reduces the burden on emergency services and helps organizations coordinate their efforts. This leads to healthier, more resilient communities where everyone has access to support. During public health emergencies, like the COVID-19 pandemic, 211 played a crucial role in sharing accurate information, connecting people with testing and vaccination sites, and helping those affected by illness or job loss. The service adapts quickly to changing needs, making it a trusted source during uncertain times. 211 works closely with local nonprofits, government agencies, and service providers. This collaboration ensures that callers get up-to-date information and access to the best possible resources. By building strong partnerships, 211 helps communities respond more effectively to both everyday needs and emergencies. Funding for 211 comes from a mix of sources, including government grants, private donations, and support from United Way organizations. This diverse funding helps keep the service free and available to everyone, regardless of their financial situation. 211 relies on a dedicated team of staff and volunteers. These individuals are trained to handle a wide range of situations with empathy and professionalism. Their commitment ensures that every caller receives the support and guidance they need, no matter the challenge. In addition to phone support, 211 offers a range of online resources. The website allows you to search for services, read helpful articles, and even chat with a specialist. This digital access makes it easier for people to find help on their own schedule. Many 211 services are now accessible via mobile apps and text messaging. This means you can get help even if you don't have access to a computer or landline. Mobile access makes 211 more convenient and responsive to the needs of today's users. 211 values feedback from users to improve its services. After your call or online interaction, you may be invited to share your experience. This input helps 211 adapt to changing needs and ensures that the service remains effective and user-friendly. Across the country, countless people have found help and hope through 211. From families avoiding eviction to individuals finding mental health support, the service has made a real difference in many lives. These success stories highlight the power of community and the importance of reaching out for help. Like any service, 211 faces challenges. These include keeping information up to date, reaching underserved populations, and securing ongoing funding. Despite these obstacles, the commitment of staff, volunteers, and supporters keeps the service strong and growing. Looking ahead, 211 continues to evolve. New technologies, expanded partnerships, and a focus on equity are shaping the future of the service. The goal is to ensure that everyone, no matter where they live or what challenges they face, can access the help they need. You can support 211 by spreading the word, volunteering, or donating. Sharing information about 211 with friends, family, and neighbors can help more people get the support they need. Volunteering your time or making a donation can also make a big impact. Many people have questions about 211, such as whether it's really free, how long it takes to get help, or what information you need to provide. The answer is that 211 is always free. Most calls are answered quickly, and you only need to share what you're comfortable with. Specialists are there to help, not judge. Some people think 211 is only for emergencies, or that it's only for people with low income. In reality, 211 is for anyone who needs help finding community resources, regardless of their situation. Clearing up these misconceptions helps more people get the support they need. 211 services are tailored to the needs of each community. Local call centers maintain up-to-date databases of resources specific to their area. This means that no matter where you live, 211 can connect you with the most relevant and helpful services. 211 matters because it provides a lifeline for people in need. By making it easy to find help, the service reduces stress, improves well-being, and strengthens communities. Whether you need support yourself or want to help others, knowing about 211 is an important step. In summary, 211 is a powerful resource that connects people with the help they need when they need it. From food and housing to mental health and disaster relief, 211 is there for you. Remember, reaching out is a sign of strength, and support is just a phone call away. Keep 211 inches mind for yourself and your community.